things I want to mention is that at Echo, we believe, don't start from scratch. So one of the things that we oftentimes recommend for teams that are newer or even teams that are building like new solutions within a platform they already have is check out the templates. Even if you don't want to start from the template and you don't want to use it, I always recommend checking them out because they'll give you good ideas. Honestly, one of my teammates earlier this week was telling me that they had this new SteerCo committee dashboard that they needed, or SteerCo dashboard. And she was asking me for examples from other clients that we've used. And what I was explaining is that honestly, it's great to have an example within Smartsheet Templates, but half the time, I'll be honest, if I'm doing a new dashboard and I'm looking for some new ideas, I honestly Google it. I'm going to be honest, like I do Google. And so in her case, I just said, like, honestly, steering committee dashboards. And when I do that, I look at images or I can look at templates and I can start to get some ideas here. So I do have a pretty, if you know my team, like I don't like to be asked questions that, you can Google and figure it out in the top 3 results. If you're looking for ideas and things like that, you don't have to limit yourself to Smartsheet or Monday or any platform that you're using or Power BI. Start by just getting some ideas of what they're looking for. So I'm not going to talk too much about design and everything like that, but definitely we want to think about personas, but I like to start from what are the templates that are available and SteerCo. And one of the things I will mention for Smartsheet, in addition to having all of these different template sets and they have different versions of dashboards, and I'll show you kind of searching, you actually, Smartsheet also has a dashboard library. So Smartsheet, or gallery, sorry, where they're going to be adding more and more examples of dashboards. So there's not a ton right now, but I like to start from the templates. But if you're looking for some new ideas, they're starting to add more information about different types of dashboards and things like that you can get right here as well. So again, very Googleable for Smartsheet. So let me go back here again. So one of the things that Smartsheet has done in their Solution Center is they're really trying to direct people here more. It's actually annoying to me, but I'll show you kind of what I mean by this. So if I am in a report or in a sheet and I want to create something new, when I go ahead and create new, it's taking me directly to the solution set instead of what I'm expecting to see, which is, am I creating a new sheet, form, report, dashboard, etc. So I am definitely finding myself learning to navigate because they keep driving people to their templates so that they're not starting from scratch. Even though me as a developer, a person that's constantly making new things, like I am wanting to start from a sheet when I do create new. One of the things I like about their template set now is that you can start looking at, like, you're able to narrow it down. So if you don't have resource management or you don't have calendar app, you can filter it out to only look at this. They have added back their older templates as well, just because people were complaining because some people use their regular template sets all the time. From an Echo perspective, we are going to be releasing more videos now, starting from specific template sets, just to get people going a little bit faster. So the one that we use oftentimes is the project management office one, but we've had a lot of requests recently for events as well. So like event management. And just so you know, a lot of these ones now, Smartsheet's actually allowing outside users to add new templates. So this is important because we already have this with some of our other tools that we use, like Miro, even Jira, and even Microsoft, right? They have their own app store where they allow developers to give different template sets. Smartsheet is moving in that direction. And so for some of these, when you click on the templates, they'll actually say, here, see how it says contact our implementation services, because they have their own, implementation services. They'll actually start having branding of some of the partners and some of the developers that use this. One of the things with templates I want to make sure that everyone knows is that it does tell you what the different components are that you're going to need in order to have this template set. So something to consider as well is the setup information to know kind of what pieces. So if you have resource management or don't, or have calendar app or don't, those are important things to consider when you have this. All right,